Hi, I'm going to introduce you AH-7270, and this model it has three functions: torch, hot blow, and soldering. First, I'm going to show you how to use the torch first. Take the head off first. Okay. Then put this back on. Okay. Fill the gas on the bottom. This. Put the gas in the middle. And this is a seal lock. So you have to press the seal lock again first. Then press the button, initial button. Like this. To continue fire, just press this button right here to the right. Like this. And then let it go. Okay. And right here you can adjust the flame size like this: small fire, big fire, small fire, and big fire. To turn it off, just press this continue button to the left. That's it. And then to use the hot blow, just unscrew this and put this burn room back in like this. And again, gas in the middle, seal lock, press it down, and then press initial button like this. Continue the flame like this. And when you see the burn room is turning red, that means the hot blow is ready to use. And to turn it off, just press the continue flame right here. Just turn it back to left. Okay, then flame is off. And last is the soldering iron. Just put this tip in like this. And again, gas in the middle and seal lock, press it down, push initial button, and to continue the flame like this, let it go. Okay. And to turn it off, just press the continue flame to the left like this.